Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a very helpful video. Like I know how much you love your basics. A white tee and a basic pair of jeans is like, you know, just perfect. Like you can wear it anywhere. So I tried to give 8 to 10 ideas in this video for how you can style the same pair of white t-shirt plus blue jeans, and you can use them like for different occasions, like if it's a day out or if it's a night out, you know, something like that, by changing your accessories or something. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the video. So for the first look, I paired my t-shirt with these doodled sneakers and a cap, just tied a knot, and yeah, this is like so casual, you know. I can wear this look when I'm going to Sarojini Nagar to shop because it's so comfortable yet so cool and stylish. So yeah. For the second look, I just tied a plaid shirt around my waist because I don't know, I just think it looks so much cooler like this. I mean, since I was, you know, little, I just loved this trend. So yeah, had to include this. For the third one, I just paired my white t-shirt and blue jeans with a fanny pack and white heels, and I guess you're good to go. The fanny pack is enough accessory for the whole outfit. For this one, I just wanted to go a little vintage, so I just added this hairband and, you know, a golden choker and such huge hoops because hoops are life, you know that, right? And yeah, I think this looks like pretty vintage to me and I love it. So for this look, I named it the glam because it is, you know, like just add a cape like this to any outfit. I wore this cape on the Raksha Bandhan also and everyone loved it. I just love how this look has turned out. I mean, I have added same white heels and a DIY necklace. It's just a rhinestone lace. I've just wrapped around it my neck, and yeah, some hoops. Another look I created in the glam head is this. Just pair your red heels, red lipstick and a statement necklace with, you know, a good handbag, and I think you're just ready for a perfect night out. For this one, I just paired it with kimono, tan, Mules and this bag. I mean, this whole look screams boho because, you know, kimonos are like so boho. Plus, like this one is especially so boho, and I paired it with these earrings, these wooden earrings. Love it. Denim on denim looks perfect. White and denim is like the perfect combination. Plus, if you can add a denim jacket or a denim shirt to, you know, as a cover up, well, I think this is my favorite look because I just love denim on denim. Added these tag necklaces, and yeah. The semi-formal look, I wanted to add a blazer actually, but I don't own any, so yeah, I added this shirt. It looks like a blazer only, and I think if you have an event at the office or just a party to attend, I think it's the perfect look for it. So this look is inspired by every other girl in metro, and I'm not even lying. Like, I've seen so many girls wearing, you know, a dupatta on a normal jeans top, so that's why I thought I should include this. I hope you like it. So that was it for the video. I really hope you guys found this helpful, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. Also do comment below which one was your favorite style, which is like so easy that you can carry like jhatke se. So, and do send me pictures if you recreate anything. I know these looks are like very basic, and I actually kept it basic so that everyone can, you know, recreate such looks and repeat clothes smartly. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. It will mean a lot to me. Ask them to subscribe to my channel, because you know we are pretty close to 1,000 subscribers and I want to reach there like super soon, and I'm literally dying, but okay. And I know the numbers does not matter, but it's like, you know, it's like a milestone and I wanna reach there. So yeah, and enough of my blabbering. I'll just go now. Just make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.